Hi friends, welcome to Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing a super cool rocket ship ready to zoom into space. It's fun to color rockets because of the bright flames and cool shapes, circles, cones, and fins. But here's a question. How does a rocket fly way up to space without falling back down? Let's draw while we find out. And if you love space, colors, and fun facts, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next blast-off. A rocket is a kind of space vehicle that flies really, really high, way above the clouds and into outer space. It's shaped like a long cone with a pointed tip to help it cut through the air. Most rockets have engines at the bottom. When those engines light up, whoosh, they push the rocket up, up, up. Let's imagine we're astronauts, getting ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Keep coloring the flames below. The rocket is zooming. Rockets fly using something called thrust. That's a fancy word for a strong push. The engines burn fuel and shoot out fire and gas. That force pushes the rocket in the opposite direction, up into the sky. It's like blowing up a balloon and letting it go. Can you pretend to be a rocket? Stand tall, now jump, and say, whoosh! Awesome! Blast off! Let's pretend you're in that rocket we're drawing. You're sitting in your spacesuit with buttons and screens all around. The Earth gets smaller outside your window. Then stars appear. Uh-oh, a little space rock is coming. You press the zigzag button and zoom. You dodge it just in time. Phew! Color in that round window now. That's where you peek out and see the moon. If you love pretending to fly in space, give this video a big thumbs up. So, how do rockets fly? They use fuel and thrust to lift off. Their shape helps them zoom through air, and astronauts ride in them to explore space. Your drawing looks incredible, just like a real space mission. Maybe one day, you will build a rocket or fly in one. Thanks for drawing and learning with me. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye, astronauts!